Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's quick video, you are going to see how to fix Facebook video no sound. So let me show you the problem. Let's head over to our Facebook application and here head over to your watch section, our video section, and in here you might find that the video that is playing on your background might not have any sound. So there is a sound icon on the lower right corner. Sometimes with the video's color, it's not visible, so you have to just tap on it and the sound will be available. But if you can't find this icon, you just have to get out of your Facebook application, head over to your Play Store and search for your Facebook. And once you're there, you can see an update is available, so make sure you update your Facebook to your latest version. And once you do it, just check again on your video if it has a sound or not. If it doesn't, you can apply another method, that is just to go to keep tapped on your Facebook application and go to its info icon right here, and from here clear the cache of your Facebook application from your mobile, and then try to open up the video again to see it has sound or not. But if the problem doesn't solve yet, you can always uninstall and install your Facebook application again. So yeah, hope these fixes will help you out, and if it doesn't, you can always head over to Facebook Help Center, like head over to your browser and go to Facebook Help Center, and in here search or ask for your desired problem and they will solve it right away. So yeah, this is how you can just fix your Facebook video that have no sound. Hope this video will help you out and we will see you in the next video.